Hi, I'm Luca from Cooking at Home with Luca, and today we are going to make a very fun, delicious, wonderful treat that you can share with your family. Your kids will love, your friends will love, your family will love, and it's nice and simple and delicious. So we are going to be making a Nutella chocolate chip cookie. Not cookies, cookie. Yes, one giant cookie. And what we're going to be using today, the ingredients that we'll need are going to be your granulated sugar, some brown sugar, we got cornstarch, baking soda, unsalted butter, a little bit of salt, 1 egg, some flour, our beautiful stand mixer here that's going to put all these ingredients together, and the star of the show, Nutella. Love this stuff. Who doesn't? And let's not forget our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now, I'm going to be using chocolate chips and chunks, so it's a mixture of both, but either or will work. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Let's make our cookie. Mixed all of our ingredients together. I've already gone ahead and rolled it and made it into a nice giant ball here. Packed it in nice and good and beautiful. Looks good, eh? Looks good. Look even better. It's going to be even better once it comes out of that oven. So this is the most important step. You do not want to skip this step because this is going to make your cookie nice and soft and moist. You're going to want to cover it with some stick wrap. You want to put it in the fridge. We're going to let it sit in that fridge anywhere between 1.5 hours to 3 hours. The longer it stays, the more soft and chewy it's going to be. So like I said, don't skip this step. I know it looks good. I know you want to start eating right away, but you got to do this. All right? So we're going to stick it in our fridge, and then we'll get to baking it in the oven. We've chilled the dough. It's ready to shape our cookie. I've preheating the oven to 350 degrees. That's the temp you want to use. Middle rack is where you want to set your racking for the bake. Now, got our dough. We're going to be using standard rolling pin and our hands as well. So we'll start pushing it down. as we roll it, we'll refix the edges. Trying to make it look as nice as we can, but at the end of the day, who cares how nice it looks as long as it tastes fantastic, which this does. And we are ready to bake. Now, when you put it in the oven, you want to cook it anywhere between 9 to 12 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long. You don't want to overcook it. So it comes out nice and soft and chewy. Very beautiful. So let's throw it in the oven, and then we'll be back with our finished product. There you have it, our beautiful giant Nutella chocolate chip cookie. Let's cut into this and see how it looks. Look how soft that is. Beautiful, beautiful cookie. All right, there you go, the beautiful Nutella chocolate chip cookie. Oh my God, it's so mouth-watering, I can't even speak. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. This cookie goes very well with some vanilla ice cream, which I will have a recipe, and I will be posting a video on how to make homemade vanilla ice cream without an ice cream machine or ice cream maker. Wow, isn't that crazy? What do you think? Is the cookie good?
Yes.
Awesome. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare.